Hello everybody, 018 here. Doing something a little different today that I don't normally do. I put two finals in a Stryker for a customer. I'm not trying to get into working on radios or nothing like that, but he called me up and said, man, I'm going to get a new Stryker, mine blowed up. And he told me what happened to his, and I said, I can fix that. So I put him two new finals in there and tuned him up. He's out-tuned a little bit. I'm doing it on this bench, and the reason why is because I did it over there when usually my dosage gets so tight, man, it's just pitiful. I mean, and I did some videos on my dosage. You can go back and look at them, and they're doing 40 and 50 watts. Somebody made the comment, go get you a 40 watt Stryker from Beavis. So for the peanut gallery, I'll use my birds. It's showing 14.4 on the idle.
Hello, 1212 13.37, key down, okay?
Alright, we're going to start out. We'll turn the variable wide open. Average power, 50 watt slug forward, 10 watt carrier.
Hello, audio 1212, 16, 17 watts, bird.
Which I could care less about that. But anyway, PUP, with the variable wide open, 50 watt slug.
121212 in the corner.
Go over here to the 100 watt slug, PUP, variable wide open.
Worldwide, 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 world. Bring that bottom scale 20, 20, 40, 60, 80. So we're doing about 80 watts. 1, 2, worldwide. That's the 10 watt dead key, 80 watt swing. Getting on down, donkey stomper.
Alright, we'll go back to 0. Now this will be coming off a half watt key. I'm going to show you it's a 5 watt Ford. I'll show you. It's half a watt on low. Of course, you know what to do. Right here's the 50.
Worldwide.
Alright. 100 watt slug, half a watt carrier.
Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Does the same. Look at that. Well, you know, 80 watts. Worldwide. Get on down on my 40 watt Stryker. Getting on down on my Beavis 40 watt Stryker. Getting on down.
Turn it up just a little bit.
1, 2, worldwide, 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 worldwide. You hear the talk back? Hear how clear it is? 1, 2, worldwide, 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 worldwide.
There she is, man. Just want to make a little video to show you she's working. Like I said, I'm not trying to get them working on radios, but this is a favor for an already good customer, for a Donkey Stomper customer. So there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis. Catch you later.